The financial services sector in Northeast Florida continues to grow steadily and attract companies interested in financial service support, investment banking, and mortgage sales. Jacksonville is a consistently competitive region and offers jobs at entry, mid, and executive levels. Jacksonville has a reputation as a global player and as a destination for the financial services industry. Financial services is an expansive, ever-changing industry with various subsets like investment banking and fintech. In fact, 20 major banks, insurance, and investment firms on the Forbes Global 500 list have operations in the region, with a significant presence of jobs in cybersecurity, software development, data analytics, banking, and payment innovation, as well as traditional back office functions, insurance, and investment banking and front office services. Due to this thriving environment for financial services, coupled with the demands of technology-driven platforms and services in the modern-day field, Jacksonville is naturally seeing a shift to fintech operations with nearly 900 corporations, businesses, and startups in the region's fintech industry. We are a global hotspot for financial services companies with 20 major banks and insurance investment services firms. Banks and investment firms dominate the Jacksonville skyline, such as Wells Fargo, TIAA Bank, and ViStar. The addition of companies such as Ssnc Advent, Sofi, and Everbank continue to grow this industry in our Northeast Florida region. According to JobsEQ 2020 data, financial services offers 51,290 jobs with an average wage of $78,882. We've also seen a 4% employment change in the last 10 years in financial services. Top employers, as you can see, include Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, Citi, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Deutsche Bank, TIAA Bank, and ViStar Credit Union. There are so many careers in this industry. As you look at this slide, which ones sound challenging and rewarding to you based on your skills and interests? The top 5 industry careers in financial services here in Northeast Florida range from customer service representative to loan officer. There is tremendous opportunity for you here in Northeast Florida with 2,600 financial services establishments in our region, each of which rely upon skilled employees to reach their bottom line objectives. 2020 has been a busy year of announcements for Jax USA partnership with 15 year to date, and this slide represents various industries here in Northeast Florida, but note announcements like Cantor Fitzgerald, a new res in the financial services space. Let's look at Fintech, which is the intersection of finance and technology. Fintech jobs like financial analyst offer average annual wages of $75,900. Our region has experienced a 40% job growth in the Fintech space in the last decade, which is 3 points above the national average. Data is clearly supporting the need for talent both in evaluating today's need as well as being strategic about a long-term talent pipeline. What this means for you is that there are good opportunities now, and there's excellent long-term career positioning for you as well. An exciting development in a subset of the financial services industry, Fintech, is shown here with a $3.6 million grant for a Fintech Academy here in Northeast Florida. The grant duration is for 5 years and is going to facilitate several objectives, such as creating increased partnerships between business and higher education, developing training programs, establishing these labs, and training at least 1,500 people on skills, competencies, and credentials in Fintech. So again, some wonderful opportunities coming up for our workforce. Jax USA has partnered with FSCJ and St. John's River State College on this grant, which is going to develop this academy in the region and leverage industry partnerships. Let's take a look at some of our region's employers. To start, Ssnc Technologies is an existing software company expanding its operation to almost 200 jobs. The company prides itself on its productive, team-oriented environment which encourages innovation. Jobs include Associate Client Advocate, Site Reliability Engineer, Senior Application DevOps Engineer, and Data Analyst. SS&C offers services that allow companies to streamline data management processes and benchmark their data. They were acknowledged as a best place to work in 2017, 18, and 19. FIS is headquartered in Jacksonville. It provides international financial services technology such as global payment processing and banking software. FIS was ranked the #1 financial technology company on the Fintech 100 in 2013 and 2014. It's driven growth for clients around the world, connecting merchant, bank, and capital markets with the goal of applying expertise and data-driven insights to deliver simple, seamless, and secure experiences with the way the world pays, banks, and invests. FIS processes billions of transactions around the world. Sofi is a digital personal finance company, and they have opened their newest office location in Jacksonville in the St. John's Town Center. It's going to fit up to 300 full-time staff that are mainly focused on operations functions like member relations, loan review, quality assurance, and fraud prevention. Sofi helps people achieve financial independence to realize their ambitions, and they offer products for borrowing, saving, spending, investing, and protecting their more than 900,000 members. So this is, again, a growing company here in Northeast Florida that offers opportunities for you. Another such company that has recently relocated here is an international financial services firm, Cantor Fitzgerald. They relocated a division from New York, and they're adding 80 new high-wage back office roles here in Jacksonville. An average annual salary for these employees is a little over $74,000. Cantor Fitzgerald believes that work should be challenging and meaningful. They're involved in trading, investment banking, and creating cutting-edge technology, and they do recruit graduates from around the world to join their team. NewRez is a national mortgage lending and servicing company, and they announced 100 new jobs. They offer refinance and residential mortgage assistance. The jobs they offer include corporate support, technology, servicing, finance, and analytics. NewRez also offers entry-level and internship opportunities. They're a growing company that rewards an entrepreneurial spirit, and they're focused on their customer and see value in each interaction. As you can see from this chart, work skills are very important to all of those employers we referenced here in our region. There are some expected work skills in this particular industry, like having accounting software knowledge and understanding IT, but there's also some additional skills that may expand your perception of needed skills in this industry, like establishing and maintaining community relationships and promoting brand awareness. All of these skills can be utilized in the financial services industry within our region. Soft skills are also very important to employers in our financial services sector. As you see, they range from curiosity to teamwork. Curiosity is because these employers want their staff to blaze new trails. They want diversity of thought. They encourage individuals to be willing to start in an entry-level position and build upon that experience. Be comfortable working with a diverse client base. Inclusivity is paramount in this industry. People skills are imperative to gain the trust of the customer, and have agility as well. Be okay with failing, but recognize what you learned from it. If you can demonstrate some of these soft skills in the industry, your opportunities will abound. Finally, I'd like to draw your attention to a career pathways website for your use. It's called earnup.org. This is something that you can use on your phone, on your computer, whatever is convenient for you, so that you can check back and look at the data, success stories, and testimonials that we have affiliated with this particular website. As you can see, there are resources for high school students, adult learners, and veterans, but I'd like to draw your attention specifically today to the career pathways portion, which is in the green rectangle at the top of the page. When you click on that, you'll be able to see a drop-down that features the variety of industries that we're featuring here in Northeast Florida. And I'd like to draw your attention specifically to financial services. You can click on Financial Services, and it will take you to a financial services resource page, which features a variety of reports, success stories, and pathway information for your use. As an example of a financial services pathway, take a look at your screen. It will show you entry points as well as various certificates and degree programs up through advanced degrees and the corresponding jobs and wages that are associated with those degrees. You'll also see that this pathway features a key where individuals can look at various state colleges and universities right here in the region that offer the skills needed to enter this pathway and ladder up successfully in this pathway. Please note that any information that is shared on the EarnUp webpage is related specifically to our region. So when you're seeing wages there, those are related to our 7-county region, and all of the information on our website is updated very regularly so that you can utilize this resource and know that it is offering you concrete information so you can make some wonderful decisions for your career pathway. Scroll to the bottom of the financial services page to view some of the companies in our region. If you click on a company logo, it will direct you to that company's website where you can learn more about their products and services, the company culture, and even investigate some of the job opportunities that company provides. Finally, on behalf of JAX USA and EarnUp, I'd like to offer you an encouraging word to consider the value of the financial services career pathway right here in Northeast Florida.